same.
You got a gym here as well, haven't you?
Full-size gym. I'm just going to share a text message, then we'll explain what we're doing.
Let's go. Right. Wow, Andy.
How we're doing, just at Moda, Angel Gardens. So just doing a quick video walkthrough of a 2-bed, 2-bath. This specific one is the show home. They go for typically $19.50. They vary depending on floor. They'd generally be anywhere from $1,600 through to about $2,000 for your 2 beds. 1 beds, studio 1 beds, anywhere from $1,400 through to about $1,700. Again, depends on floor, depends on view. To be fair, amazing views all the way around. We're just kind of looking onto what is Northern Quarter and
We're looking
Ancoats
south
in the
facing.
distance. If you look just to the left, you've got Man City Stadium, and then in the distance the Peak District as well. So
Nice. So standard furniture pack, but not all of this will be included with the apartment. You wouldn't get the soft furnishings like the pillows. It'd just be the main bits, wouldn't it, Andy? Like the chair,
yeah,
coffee table, TV stand. You know, not the smaller furnishings.
TV stays. That's the only thing, and internet is already pre-wired. But yeah, generally the soft furnishings are not included. Into the kitchen. You've got your fridge freezer.
I don't think they would normally come with that there and there.
I'm not sure about the Peronis or the
That's
icebox, but hopefully you might get a welcome beer.
An example of what you might keep in there. We've got Samsung appliances, very high end.
You've got full-size dishwasher. You've got your nice Samsung 4-inch hobs.
Cool.
And then you've got plenty of storage below and
Yeah.
above. It's kind of a thin marble base,
Yeah.
granite top, which is a high spec.
What do you reckon the size of this apartment is?
63 to 65 square metres.
Yeah.
1 bed's roughly
Yeah.
about
Maybe.
50 square metres, and then 3 beds, I think they're up at about 75 to 80.
Typical size of Manchester apartment, to be honest. Very typical.
You've got your airflow system.
And a bit of
Yeah.
storage.
Internet, separate water meter. It is pet friendly, hence the small dog chair.
What, doggy bed? Dog chair. That is a dog chair, to be fair.
You've got nice floor to ceiling wardrobes, great big bed. It is an ottoman. I won't pick it up because it's all made. But basically you can lift this and you've got plenty of storage underneath as well. Then you've got your fully lined curtains, they're pretty much blackout.
Yeah. That's nice.
Nice
Massive
carpet,
window.
so it's like a light grey carpet, nice underfoot, central heating.
Are they tiled carpets? I think they are,
Tile
aren't they?
carpets, yeah.
So that's a bit better if there's any spillages or
Exactly.
doggy mistakes.
And then coming into your ensuite.
Nice.
So it's again, nice rainfall shower, all nice fixtures and fittings. Storage behind, and then you got your towel rail. If you just want to pop in, Matt,
Yeah.
behind the door, all soft close as
Oh,
well.
that is a huge shower, isn't it?
Yeah.
You could easily fit 2 or even 3 people under that.
Perfect for a weekend.
Yeah, nice. So that's probably the main bedroom, or
Well, they're exactly the same size.
Quite even.
Perfect for sharers.
Okay.
You don't. Oh, you do have the ensuite. Sorry. So you got 2 ensuites. Again, very same layout, same furniture. You've got a bit more space here for a desk.
that is great for sharers, actually, isn't it? It's perfect.
Yeah, a lot of the apartments, you've got different styles here, but a lot of the apartments are like this. So it's ideal for,
Bedroom either side,
yeah,
ensuite each.
meet in the middle, cook your tea together. So if it's 2 sharers, you're round about £800 to £900 per month, excluding the utilities, so it'll come in at about 1,800. And again, same size, exactly the same fittings and furniture, so you don't really have an argument who
Yeah.
who has the big bedroom.
No arguments.
It is a build-to-rent development as well, so everything is on site. You've got your gym, you've got your football pitch, you've got communal space, you've got loads of social events, you've got a great on-site team.
Workspace, cinema.
2
gyms actually, isn't it? Because you got the
2 gyms.
You've got the included gym, and then you've got a gym you can actually rent out each month, or it's a monthly cost.
It's like a CrossFit gym. And then to the ground floor, you've got some nice restaurants. You've got Grindsmith, brilliant coffee shop. You've got a co-op just around the corner. You've got bars and restaurants on your doorstep as well. So you're not going to go far wrong. Next
to Victoria Station, so you're close to one of the main train stations. You're close to Shude Hill tram station, so everything's on your doorstep. You don't really need a car unless you're travelling quite far out of town. It's not essential.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, nice one.
Beautiful. So this is Moda, Angel Gardens by Moda. They do also have developments in Leeds and Birmingham as well, which are very